Induction heating is a method used to heat metal objects without touching them. It works by using electromagnetic waves to create heat inside the material. This method is often used in industries for tasks like hardening, melting, and joining metals, and even used in induction cookers we use at home. One big advantage of induction heating is that it heats things very quickly in only specific areas, which helps save energy and time. It also gives control over temperature, making it safe and clean way to heat materials. Because of these benefits, it's used in many industries like automotive, aerospace, and electronics.
Next, I'll be explaining about the basic working principles of high-frequency heating or induction heating, which is a method widely used in industries for processes like hardening, brazing, and heat treatment. There are 5 main principles. The first one is electromagnetic induction. An alternating current in a coil creates a changing magnetic field which induces eddy currents in a nearby metal object. Second, these eddy currents generate heat inside the metal due to its electrical resistance and the process called Joule heating. Third, the skin effect. At high frequency, this current flows mostly near the surface, concentrating on the heat on the outer layer of the material. Fourth, a high frequency power supply is used to generate the alternating current, and its frequency determines how deep the heat goes. And finally, controlled heating. By adjusting the frequency, power, and duration, we can precisely control where and how much the material is heated. In short, induction heating is efficient, clean, and precise, making it a powerful tool in modern manufacturing.
Now, I will present about the type of induction heating and the applications. There are 2 types of induction heating, which are direct and indirect induction heating. For direct induction heating, the material to be heated will be placed directly in the alternating magnetic field. This induces eddy currents in the material which heat it up. While in indirect induction heating, the material to be heated is not placed directly in the alternating magnetic field. Instead, a heating element is placed in the field which induces eddy current in the element. The heat generated in the element is then transferred to the material to be heated by radiation and convection. Direct heating have higher efficiency as it does not have additional heat transfer steps as compared to indirect heating. The example application of direct heating are metal hardening and annealing, while for indirect heating, it is used in plastic processing and induction cooktops. Thank you.
And then let's go to the advantages and disadvantages. The first one is rapid and energy efficient heating. One of the most important benefits is how quickly and efficiently it heats material. Unlike conventional heating methods, induction heating generates heat within the material itself rather than transferring it from an external source. And the second one is precise and localized heating. Its precision. Induction heating can be targeted to very specific areas by carefully designing the induction coil. And the third one is clean and environmentally friendly. Induction heating is also a clean technology. There is no combustion, meaning no flames, smoke, and toxic emission. Now let's go to the disadvantages. The first one is high initial equipment cost. One of the major drawbacks is the high initial investment, the system components such as induction generator and matching networks. And the last one is limited heating to conductive material. The induction heating is only effective on electrically conductive material like steel, copper, and aluminium.
In conclusion, induction heating is a fast, safe, and clean way to heat metal objects. It doesn't need direct contact and gives very good control over how much and where to heat apply. This makes it useful in many modern machines and tools. It has a few downsides like being expensive to set up at first and not working on non-metal materials, but overall, its advantage is a great choice for companies that want to save energy and work more efficiently. As technology grows, induction heating will likely be used more in the future.